Thanks for hopping on this video. This is the look that I'm going for today. Cute Halloween. Oh, I forgot this little guy's name. Comment below if you do. If you haven't seen my latest video on this blue glittery star nails, please go look at it. Okay, so here's the colors. We're going to be using Vetro's 32 in Yuma Yellow. And then we're going to go grab their 362, and that's in Twilight. I like using gel pods for drawing designs. It's just what I like to do best. Then we're going to grab Bio Seaweed's 271 in Teacups. And then we're also going to grab their 66 in Papaya. Everything's going to be linked down below. Don't worry. So now we're going to grab their 227 Mauve. And I'm grabbing different shades of purple and orange so that I can mix it to make the perfect color of his shirt. For the black and white details, I'm going to be using ENail Couture's painting gel in black and in their white. I like using these black and whites because it's very opaque. I can cover things with the white, I can cover things with the black. The brush that I'll be using today is my Crystal Nails Barber 2. And this is my side chick to my main chick, which is Zero Short for fine lines. And I didn't show it because I'm crazy. Also, don't kill me. I know this is one of my first time filming, at least me drawing on my own self. So I'm going to be out of the frame at some times, but I fixed myself, so just bear with me. Also, I didn't also realize that I had no storage on my phone whatsoever, so there's gonna be spots where it's like it picks back up and then there's more stuff on the nail than I just did. It's because I didn't realize that it stopped, and then by the time I fixed it and deleted stuff from my phone, yep, you understand. But here I am putting his little ears on. It's so cute, and I'm just going back and making it as thick as I want. This is that black painting gel that I'm talking about. You see how opaque it is? You can't see any of the glitter underneath it. So now this is the color that I came up with by mixing the Teacups in the Mauve, which is this perfect shade of his little Frankenstein t-shirt that he has. Okay, here I'm now grabbing that yellow and creating his little footsies at the bottom. Then I'm also going to grab the same yellow and I'm going to use it for his beak, his mouth area. And One tip that I have, like you're gonna see, like I kind of made his beak area a little bigger than I wanted it to, but don't worry, especially if you have like a black background, and this is why we're saying that I really like these painting gels, is because I could make the beak bigger than I wanted it to, and after I cure it, I can go back in with the black to sharpen up the edges and maybe take it down a little bit, and it will not show the yellow underneath it. Now I switched over, if you can see. I switched over, and now I'm using my main chick, Zero Short, and I use her to do fine lines and like small details. So like his eyes, I'm not going to use Barber 2, which has more hairs in it. I'm going to use Zero Short, which has like very little hairs, and I can get little lines and be detailed about it. Also, same rule apply. I make sure that I get the eyes as best as I wanted, and then if there's anything that I messed up on, I'm gonna go back in with black to crisp up the edges, and vice versa. So say if I crisp up the edges and then I messed up on the black, I'm gonna go back in with the white, and I will never notice that there's layers on top of it because it's so opaque. I really do like these black and white paintings. They have it in red. I believe they have it in gold, I think. Don't quote me on it. But I can't speak enough wonders for ENail Couture's painting gels. Yes. Oh, how cute is his little lines on his forehead. So now I'm grabbing the orange. I'm doing the bolts that are in his head as Frankenstein, and I'm doing them with a generous amount because I'm gonna go back in with black and do the detail. So I want the bolt to be big enough so when I draw in the black lines, it has enough detail in it that you can tell that it is a bolt and not just a blob. Okay, now I am starting to draw the little lollipop that sits on his lap. There's multiple ways you can do this. You can do it the way that I'm doing it, where I'm drawing it on top of what I've already existently drawn. Or as if when you were doing the purple, you could have outlined as if the lollipop was there and made like a half a circle so that you weren't painting the white on top of the purple. I just like this method better. It just feels comfortable to me. So the lollipop has like a black and white, a swirl effect. So I start off with the white first, and then I'm going in with Zero Short and black and creating the swirl. Now I'm going to draw his little eyes. And then you're going to see me practice what I preach. I'm going to go in with this black and line up the white around the eye. And I'm also going to do his beak to make everything how I want it. See, you can see that I'm making it slightly smaller, and you cannot even tell that there's yellow underneath this black. Okay, now it's time for the candy bucket and the overflow of candy trickling out of this pumpkin candy holder. I'm not going to do like a precise pumpkin. I just want it to hang off of the bottom half of this nail. And now you see me trickling the pumpkin over to the other nail. So this is one of the spots that my phone decided to just be like, girl, no, and missed my whole candy section. So basically what I did was I drew the candy and the lollipops in white, purple, and orange. And then now I'm going back with the black and zero short to outline the pieces of candy. Okay, one more jump happened. I decided to put spider webs on top of the candy nail. And now I'm putting Valentino's top coat over the whole design. You want to seal it in. And here's the final look. I added spider web on the index finger. I wasn't able to videotape my thumb because my thumb was in like impulsive thing. Here is Hello Kitty as Pennywise. Thank you for watching my video. Sorry if it felt choppy and all over the place. I'm getting it together. Comment below what you guys want to see me do next. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button. I see ya when I see ya.